In the contemporary project management landscape, mobility is no longer a luxury, but a fundamental necessity. Project managers and team members are constantly on the go, needing to update tasks, check progress, communicate with colleagues, and address urgent issues, whether they're in a meeting, on a commute, or working from a different location. This brings us to a crucial question for users of comprehensive platforms like ClickUp. Does ClickUp have a mobile app? As a project management expert, I can definitively state, yes, ClickUp has a mobile app. In fact, ClickUp offers mobile applications for both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible to a vast majority of smartphone and tablet users. This ensures that the power of ClickUp's versatile project management features is not confined to a desktop or laptop. However, simply having a mobile app isn't the full story. The true value lies in its functionality, ease of use, and how well it supports the dynamic needs of a project team. The purpose of ClickUp's mobile app. The primary goal of the ClickUp mobile app is to provide on-the-go access and quick actions for your projects and tasks. It's designed to keep you connected and productive even when you're away from your main workstation. While the full, feature-rich experience of ClickUp is best leveraged on a desktop browser or the dedicated desktop application, the mobile app serves as an essential companion for immediate updates and vital communications. Key features you can expect on the ClickUp mobile app. ClickUp's mobile app is continuously evolving, with the company striving to bring more of the desktop experience to smaller screens. Here are some of the core functionalities you can expect. Task management. This is the bread and butter of any project management app. You can easily create new tasks and subtasks, view existing tasks across different views. List, board, calendar are generally well supported. Update task statuses, e.g., from to-do to in progress or complete. Edit task details, assignees, due dates, priorities, and custom fields. Add comments and attachments to tasks. Track time directly from tasks. Communication and collaboration. Staying in sync with your team is vital, and the mobile app facilitates this. Access and participate in ClickUp chat channels for real-time team communication. Reply to comments on tasks and documents. Receive and manage notifications in your inbox, ensuring you don't miss important updates or mentions. Share files and documents directly within tasks or chat. Quick information access. The app provides quick access to essential project information. View your home page to see an overview of your important tasks, reminders, and events. Access your favorites for quick navigation to frequently used spaces, folders, or lists. Browse your workspace hierarchy, spaces, folders, lists to find specific projects or tasks. View dashboards to get a snapshot of project progress or team performance, though creating new dashboards is usually a desktop-only feature. Access and read docs, allowing you to review project briefs, meeting notes, or other important documents on the go. Reminders in My Work. These features are particularly useful for personal productivity. Create and manage reminders directly from your phone. Access your My Work section to see your most important tasks and reminders in one personalized view. Add ClickUp widgets to your phone's home screen for quick glances at your tasks or inbox. Considerations and limitations. While the ClickUp mobile app is powerful, it's important to set realistic expectations. Due to the complexity and sheer number of features in ClickUp's desktop version, some functionalities are either limited or not yet available on mobile. Feature parity. The mobile app typically prioritizes core functionality. Very advanced features, deep customization options, or less frequently used views, like Gantt charts or sophisticated workload views, might have limited functionality or be difficult to navigate on a small screen. For example, while you can view Gantt charts, complex editing might be cumbersome. Performance. Some users have reported occasional performance lags or a steeper learning curve on the mobile app compared to the desktop version. This can be attributed to the sheer amount of data and options ClickUp manages, which can be challenging to optimize for mobile devices. Setup and customization. Initial setup of complex workflows, extensive custom fields, or intricate automations is almost always best done on the desktop version. The mobile app is more for using these established structures rather than building them from scratch. Two apps. Historically, for a period, ClickUp had two mobile apps, old and new, as they transitioned to a more native and performant mobile experience. While the new app aimed for a smoother user experience, it initially lacked some features of the old one. ClickUp has been consistently working on converging these, but it's worth being aware of historical context in older reviews. It's always best to download the latest recommended version from your app store. The project manager's perspective. For a project manager, a well-functioning mobile app is invaluable. Real-time updates. It allows you to quickly update task progress during a site visit, immediately assign action items during an impromptu meeting, or respond to critical questions from team members without being tied to your desk. Improve communication. Facilitates prompt responses to team queries and ensures that important discussions continue even when you're away. Enhanced oversight. Provides a quick way to check on overall project health, review dashboards, and identify potential roadblocks from anywhere. Flexibility and responsiveness. Enables a more agile approach to project management, allowing you to react quickly to changes and maintain momentum.